the GameCube. You love it, I love it, and there have been many mods for it. Hello, my name is Pedro. From ODE, HDMI, and Bluetooth mods, today I'm going to show you how to install the Gamer's Antiquity USB C Mod for the Nintendo GameCube. This mod replaces the power jack on the fan assembly and requires minor soldering work to install. It utilizes the power delivery protocol to deliver the correct amount of voltage and current for the console. Make sure that the USB-C adapter that you would use supports power delivery and can supply 12 volts at 3¼ amps. Click the link below to check out my shop at renewedgamingrelics.com for this as well as other USB-C mods, consoles I have available, and modification services. Let's install the Gamer's Antiquity USB-C power mod for the GameCube. Unplug the fan and remove the screw to take out the board. Desolder the power connector with a desoldering gun or solder wick to remove the connector. Snip the inside walls to make room for the mod. Place in the mod, route the cables, and set the board into place using the notches to lock it in. Screw the board into place, then solder the power and ground cables as shown. Plug the fan back in, plug in the USB-C power, and test. Let's test our work. All we need to do is put back the power and fan assembly as if nothing happened and screw everything back together. This mod is reversible if we'd ever want to go back. Now to plug in the cables and insert a game. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, check out this and other mods, consoles, and modification services by visiting renewedgamingrelics.com, links in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.